Hi guys, it's ByTitaLiz. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to cut my own hair at home. So, I've grown my hair for quite some time now, for more than a year, and it grows really long and it's also thick. So, I'm planning on cutting it like shoulder length. So I have here two scissors. This is the razor one. Okay, we just got it from Amazon, and I have here the thinning scissors as well. Okay, what else do we need? We need a hair tie, a comb, or a hairbrush. All right. Okay, so let's get started. So first that you need to do is to divide your hair into halves like this one. Okay, and then you can use your hair tie now. You can tie it to secure the hair and make sure to cut your hair according to your hair length preference. Okay, all right, so right now I'm going to put two hair ties on both sides. This is to secure the hair while cutting so it doesn't slide or whatsoever. All right, so this is the length that I want. Okay, and next to the other side. Okay, so once you're satisfied with the length that you really want, and now we can start cutting it. Right, so this is it, guys. Let's get started. Alright guys, so this is my hair. Oh no. Alright guys. How do you like it, guys? It looks 10 times lighter. Okay? Yeah. So that's my back. Yes. So if you like my video, please don't forget to leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel. See you soon, guys.